want to be strong. I want to be feared. I want to be powerful.
There's something happening here.
Huh?
But it
Yank Shao Long, stand down!
isn't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over
Let's just
there.
keep this between us friends.
I don't know if you've noticed, but things are getting a lot scarier out in the world. Tensions are high, the grim are growing stronger, more prevalent, and it's not gonna be much longer before this peace we've all been enjoying so much goes out the window.
There has to be a reason she...
No, there doesn't. I'm sorry. Sometimes bad things just happen, Ruby. I'm so sorry.